Hey, you can buy MarsDAO tokens through our project's Telegram wallet. It's easy to do, and in this video I will show you the entire process. Open MarsDAO wallet in the Messenger using this link. It is in the description of the video. Choose the wallet section and click on Buy MarsDAO. Next, we need to choose the asset that we want to exchange to MarsDAO. You can choose USDT or BUSD. Here we see our balance and the current exchange rate. Specify the amount, for example USDT, which you want to exchange to MarsDAO. See the exchange rate calculation, how much it will be in MDAO, and then confirm the exchange. You will receive a link to the transaction and a message about its successful completion. Just in case, let's check our wallet balance. Here you'll see your freshly arrived tokens. That's all, folks, it couldn't be easier. More information about using MarsDAO wallet will be in our further video tutorials and on our project's Medium page. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Stay tuned!